Hello again. It's another 2-for-1 because I was messed up and I forgot to film it yesterday. So here we go. It is 22 and 23 of the Create and Bloom Advent Calendar. Well, there's 23 right there. Right there. Now, where's 22? What is that? There's 22. Well, all right. That was easy enough to find, wasn't it? All right. Number 22. Oh, I love those. Handmade with love. What are they? DTF stickers. Oh, I love those. Definitely using those. And then, today, day 23. I mean, I'm definitely using a lot of things. Everything. Not a lot of things, everything. Don't get me wrong. Create and Bloom Opaque Resin. Epoxy Pigment. Lotus. So this is a soft pinky color. That's gonna be nice. Ooh, that'll be really good with some marbling. Alrighty, stay tuned for a better shot at the color. Bye, thank you.